Hello friends, myself Keshav Bhatt, finally an MBBS student from Maulana Azad Medical College. As promised to you, I am live back again with you under the surgical outreach program from the OT, and I am going to demonstrate you how to put ports in case of any laparoscopic surgery. Today I am going to demonstrate you how to put port in case of laparoscopic cholecystectomy. There are three important rules in case of any port placement. First rule is that the port should be placed at the appropriate distance from the target organ. Why is it necessary? Because if your port is very close to the target organ, then there would be three things. One thing is your instrument would be very less inside the abdomen and very more outside the abdomen. So if you press the instrument out from outside just a little bit, it's gonna be magnified result in the inside. Second thing which is gonna happen if you are placing the port very close to the target organ is that your angle of instrument would be approximately 90 degrees from the target organ, and you won't be able to manipulate it from the outside. Third thing which could happen if you are placing a port very close to the target organ is that if your port is very close to the target organ, then there would be direct injury from that port to the organ. So these are the three things which could happen if you are placed the port very close to the target organ. If you place port very away from the target organ, then also three things could happen. First thing is that a lot of your instrument would be inside the abdomen and very less would be outside the abdomen. The disadvantage of this fact is that if you are pressing the instrument from outside just a little bit, your instrument is gonna move a lot on the inside. Second thing which could happen is your angle of manipulation, which the angle with which you are moving the instrument would be around 10-20 degrees, and you won't be able to work around it very well as well. So these are the few things which you have to keep in mind while placing the port, that it should not be very far away from the target organ, nor it should be very close to the organ. So how will you decide where to put a port? So for that we have one rule, that is you have to put the port at the half of the port from the target organ, exactly half of the distance of the size of the instrument you are using. We have two sizes of laparoscopic instrument. One is 36 cm size, another is 48 cm size. So half of the 36 cm size instrument is 18 cm and half of 48 cm size instrument is 24 cm. As you can see here, our target organ is located right here, that is gallbladder. I have made an arc exactly at 18 cm from that organ, and I have made another arc at the 24 cm from the target organ. Please keep in mind, these are for the normal adult cases. I am not talking about any pediatric case or any case of bariatric surgery, because in bariatric surgery the size of the instrument would be much larger than the size which we are normally using in adult case. So we have to make an arc appropriate to your case. First rule is this. Second rule is you have to keep in mind that the angle between your telescope and the main operating port should be 30 degrees. Why this rule is necessary? This angle is known as azimuth angle. Why this angle is necessary to be 30 degrees? Because we are doing the surgery in a closed area via laparoscope. So you have to keep in mind that we have to appreciate the texture, the color, the shape, the shadow of the organ, which is 3D. So if we are placing our telescope and the main port at the angle of 30 degrees, we can very easily and very accurately appreciate the texture, contrast and the shadow of the organ, which is very necessary to get the 3D orientation of the organ. Third rule is that while placing the port, the angle of manipulation, that is main angle between the two working ports, should be 60 degrees plus minus 15 degrees. This is important so that your instrument don't entangle in between the surgery and you have very good field of vision and field of operation. So how are you gonna do that? For that, the basic rule is baseball rule of diamond. As you know, baseball is a very populated game and there is a diamond shaped diamond on their field. So same thing we are gonna apply here. So for that you have to do is you have to take your both of the hands, make a diamond with the index finger and the thumb finger, and keep the tip of the index finger both at the target organ. And you have to make a diamond. With that, as you can see, I have made a diamond here, and my two thumbs are denoting the place where I should put my telescope. So this is the place where I am gonna put my telescope. So this is my telescope port. The other thing is which you have to now make this side port or the other operating port. For that you have to again make a diamond. The place where your index finger and the thumb is intersecting, that is anatomical snuff box, is the location where you are gonna put your operating ports. Why is that? Because my finger, this finger till the anatomical snuff box is making around 17.5 centimeters and this thumb is making around 8 centimeters. If you make an angle, this angle and this angle between the laparoscope and the main operating port, this is 30 degree. This will come out exactly 30 degree if you follow this baseball diamond rule. So these are the three things which you have to keep in mind, and always make sure to make a diamond. This is the most easiest concept of placing an contralateral port in case of any laparoscopic surgery. So please put your port between these two are at the appropriate position from the diamond. Thank you guys, stay connected. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.